Charlottesville has another free community fridge to offer food to those in need. A new one is inside the store called The Beautiful Idea on the downtown mall. The purpose of the new fridge location is to reach even more people in need.
We thought since we have a nice central location on the mall, it'd be a great opportunity to have a community fridge in a little bit more accessible of a location to people who might be interested in taking advantage of it.
The Beautiful Idea's Joan Kovach says the free fridge is open for anyone to grab food or to donate to the community. The